From October 20 to October 23, Navy Recognition Editorial Team, a subdivision of Army Recognition Group, will cover the latest naval defense innovation from the largest naval defense show in the world, taking place at Paris le Bourget. During this exhibition, we will provide the online show daily news and web television. They will consist in updates on programs and products unveiled at Euronaval, as well as exclusive interviews with company leaders and Navy officials.